Welcome back. Let's just get moving. Really low impact. We got about 10 minutes today. I'm just recovering from neck surgery. I appreciate all the warm wishes to recover quickly. I'm going just by doctor's orders. I can move easily. So that's what we're going to do today. So this is really beginner, low impact. If you've been with me for a while, maybe this one will be a little too easy for you, but there's nothing wrong with just moving the body lightly. Maybe you can share this with somebody. People that are maybe overweight, have not been moving very often. I feel your pain. I get it. The whole purpose of all of these videos is just to promote any amount of physical activity, just to move our bodies so that we can be functionally healthy, move through our day with ease, strength, climb stairs, carry our groceries, just do the little things that bring so much more joy to life. And clearly being outside is one of those things. Just a nice tap of the heel, bring the arms back as far as you can. I'm not going to get over and get into what benefit each exercise has. I just want to move with joy. After surgery, I just step it to the side now. Do I have ever greater appreciation for movement? So it was in my neck. Neck surgery seems a little bit more serious than I think this was. It was serious, but doctor says I can move however I feel is good. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Take it easy for the next few days. Just promote movement, any kind of movement. So just step to the side, engage our core. We want to have good core stability. I've been meaning to get outside more and do some workouts just to promote just how nature, connecting to nature, boosts our mood. So good for our mental health. Now that I can, I really want to embrace the outdoors. Just step to the side. Stick with me here. We'll go for about 10 minutes. I got no timer around. I'll try to watch the clock. I'm much more interested in just moving with awe, appreciating being alive, being able to breathe, being able to move, and finding ways that we can move so we really do bring more joy into our lives. I'm going to take my little side step and just step back now. This is really simple movements today. Really, basically all that I can do. I can't move my upper body too much yet. I can move the lower, so that's what I'm going to focus on. And if you are somebody who struggles with movement, I'm with you. I get it. Let's do this together where we lower the bar, even the simplest of movements. What can that do for our health and well-being? Maybe we just promote a little bit more activity through the day. And I know when I move my body, I make better food choices. I sleep better. I just feel better about myself. I don't judge other people as much. That's why, for me, movement is the foundation of my health. I often say movement is the foundation of our health. Okay? I can't speak for everybody. I just know for myself, when I move, I'm going to get my arms going a little bit here. Just a bit of an arm swing. I can do that. That when I move my body, particularly first thing in the morning, it just makes my day so much better. Okay. I'm just going to go for a light walk. Swing the arms, walking, superpower. Get out and walk today. It really makes such a difference. Whew. Head up high. I do have another and more profound appreciation for movement when I haven't been able to do it for a couple days. I've been stuck inside. That's why I wanted to get out today. I don't know if my mood has gone down because I haven't been able to move or because I haven't got out in nature. So I figured we'd combine the two. More workouts outdoors. You can come and do your workouts outside. Take your phone, do these workouts with me, or forget about me and just get outside and move. Swing the arms as much as you can. We're just moving today. any kind of movement. The idea have always been first thing in the morning. Just turn the video on, just get 10 minutes of movement in to start your day and see what happens from that. Lowering the bar. I do love that concept. What's the smallest thing that you think you can do that'll have no impact? Do that, because I assure you it will. Go for a 1-minute walk. 70 seconds the next day, 80 seconds the next day. Oh, excuse me. And just build on it. Okay, I'm going to bring my knee up. This is about all I can do right now. Use my arms as best I can. So if this is really, really easy for you, bring all your presence, all your awareness into it. So you build the balance too. But more importantly than anything, we can bring awareness. Be in the now. Life is exponentially better. Rather than rushing from one thing to the next. Breathe. Whew. It feels pretty great when you just focus so much on each movement. Okay. I'm going to shake out the arms as best I can. Move your lower body. And just be right here, right now. I'm going to just swing my leg, one leg to the side. So, building balance and mobility in just the simplest way. What I do love about being outside is obviously the ground is not exactly even. And that's so great for building core stability. When we go for walks where it's not just flat. Again, just functional. Opening up the hips just a bit, some more hip mobility. Let's go to the other side. Back to basics. That's what we're going to focus on as we go forward. Had a good comment today talking about when I was saying six-pack abs don't matter, Beachbody arms, and I think it was probably a teenager commenting, there's nothing wrong with working out for aesthetics. And maybe, you're not wrong. It is nice to look good. I've just changed the way I look at things with age. How can we live well, move with ease? I'm not sure being ripped. Well, it's certainly not the main focus for me anymore. Everybody should do what works best for them. I'm not qualified to judge anybody. But for me, it's just about moving with ease and strength throughout the day. Oh. A couple more. Ooh. I'm going to just slowly move laterally. This is a little trickier. As you can see, my head doesn't move exactly right yet. So just move around your space laterally. So we're building that great mobility in the hips, but small steps. Since I'm on uneven terrain, I'm trying to be extra mindful. It's like walking meditation. It can be so profound when you actually stop and you pay attention to each step, each movement of the body. What is that like? We start to bring presence into everything we do. Again, I think we start to make better food choices. Like, you can eat a couple potato chips. It's really pleasurable, really nice. And then by the time you get to 5 or 6, it's like, maybe these don't taste so good anymore, but yeah, we just keep snacking on them. As opposed to, oh wait, I can have a few. It's really enjoyable. And I can put them aside. Pay real close attention to everything you do, and really the things we do become so much more pleasurable. Even a simple side step here for, even though this is maybe as easy as it gets. Okay, come into the middle. I'm going to open up. very gently, just bring the shoulder blades together. And I'm going to add a side step in. Real mindful. Slow. And if you're feeling like you're in great shape and things are going well, terrific. You can pick up the pace, of course. But what happens if we just slow things down a bit? And that will certainly be the theme of the workouts for the next several days as I recover. But trying to understand, those that have difficult moving. I've been there. When I used to drink too much, movement seemed Herculean. Waking up, hungover, depressed. I didn't want to move at all. I get it. But what does just simple, real low impact movement do for us? That maybe starts a habit and some consistency that leads to great things. Reach it back. This is maybe not as much as a workout as me going off of my philosophical mantras. I guess when you go through certain things, for me, just a little bit more gratitude for just the ability to move. Feeling very grateful for that. Tap it out. Okay. Yes, that's it for me. My arms and shoulders cannot handle any more of that. Just shake it out. That's it for today. Let's just take a moment just to be. I'm just going to send gratitude to my body that it works, that it allows me to move, even very slowly, not very well today. But what an appreciation I have. Gratitude for what I can do. Let's honor what we can do. Thank you for showing up as always. Let's just keep doing this. Let's build functional fitness together, grow this community. Every time you share the videos, comment. It really does push the algorithm, help us get to more people like you so that we can have this amazing community that just supports each other and helps us to move more, do movement that matters. Thank you. I'll see you again real soon. Goodbye.